Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be planning the week of February 7th through the 13th in my vertical planner that I use for wellness. And the theme I'm going with today comes to us from A to Z planner themes. It was Mosaic. That was the theme for this week on her challenge. So the sticker book I immediately thought of was this one, because you can see from the cover, it's got all kinds of different little tile mosaics on it. It's a KaiserCraft sticker book. It is called Lily and Moss. I haven't gotten a new sticker book from them since COVID started, basically, but this was one of the last ones I got, so you might still be able to find it. I've got my favorite sources for that linked in the description box. So let's go ahead and start by pulling the prompts. I do print my own prompts, and I have a video in my DIY section on printing prompts to turn any vertical planner into the original wellness and fitness style planner, which works well for me because then I don't need special stickers to fit the different size boxes for decorating. In that original planner, the left hand side was a little bit of a currently section, and it had a box with 7 circles marked exercise. I just do keto on mine. The bottom row of boxes was these journaling prompts, which fit perfectly landscape on a piece of paper. And then, like I said, there was a small currently section over here. Okay, so there are all of those. Next, I want to go into the sticker book and pull lots of different words and washi and just kind of look through it. The nice thing is that I'm using that seasonal floral vertical planner for my wellness planner this year, and it has pink on the page, so this pink and green sticker book is going to be perfect. So let's see what we got in here. I did pull one other KaiserCraft sticker book that's got bunches of pink and green to augment, because there aren't tons of words in this book. So I also need 4 boxes for workouts Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, so we'll look for those. Ooh, here's some words right here. Positive word. Let's see, I see good day and just begin, or I'm strong, I'm ready, I'm brave, I'm enough. Either of those would work. Let's see what else we got. Oh, I definitely want to see where are the, okay, so here are some nice little mosaic tiles. Here's a flag I can put under my workout box. I'm just trying to get a feel for the color scheme, like I've told you guys before. Don't really want to use the florals yet. Here we go. What about some quotes? Today's moments are tomorrow's memories. Ooh, I like okay, so I love this one. She lived an ordinary life in an extraordinary way. I love that one. I want to use that one. So I'm thinking over here, because I can't really cut much of it off. And then matching that almost exactly is having you as a friend makes life wonderful. And so I think I'll go ahead and do that one. And if I can trim it, I can. And will that give me enough room then? Yes. It'll give me enough room over here for my bottom prompt. So I'll use those two. And then I'm just looking to see if any of these look mosaic. This one does. Or if I want to do my Girl Boss Anna overlay tapes, I think I might want to do that. So I'm back to needing like a weekend banner and some words. Ooh, these could be my words. And if I use green words, then I can use pink swishy overlay tapes. Brave, blessed, amazing, unique, strong. I like strong for my positive words. So what I'm going to do is just cut this right down the middle. And then let's pick another one of these for feeling. So I like strong for positive word. And you guys, I think I want to use unique for feeling, because I try, one of my fondest goals with my YouTube channel and my spreads is to be unique, and I'm feeling it. I've done some really fun different spreads lately, and so I like that. So I want feeling unique. All right, and the only thing I don't have then is any kind of a weekend banner, but maybe we can pick some kind of big quote for that. Oh, look at these, you guys. Oh, I should totally use these. These definitely say Mosaic. All right, let's look for a big quote to put over here on Saturday, Sunday, though. I know there were some big ones. Blessed, strong, beautiful, brave. Find joy in your journey. That's cute. And that's kind of a little bit long. Let's use that. So let's plan on putting this up kind of in a weekend banner-ish position like that. There we go. All right, what else? We need to get some mosaics on here. It says a mosaic spread. Are there any teeny tiny little ones I can put? Yeah, here are a couple tiny ones. We'll come back and get those. They might be good for layering too. I don't really see a quote with a mosaic. So, all right. I definitely want to use this with the round. I'm just wondering what I could do is split it between the two pages. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so I could put 5 on either page. All right. And then I could do the same thing with one of the square ones, but come out from here. So if I come out from here, and then I could come out from here. All right, well, I think before I worry too much more about decoration, I need to go ahead and get some stuff on the page. Welcome back, everyone. So apparently the electric company is replacing meters today, and they didn't tell us, so my power went out in the middle of recording. Oh, every time I think I'm safe because it's a blue sky day, something like that happens. So anyway, you didn't miss a whole lot. I put my journaling prompts along the bottom. So this bottom row of boxes is always for journaling. And then I put the longer of the 2 quotes down here. And I cut all the little extra ends off of this quote so that I can stick it on this side. And I am going to put it a little closer to the edge because I want room for this journaling prompt. Not journaling prompt, but one-word answer, the currently prompt over here. So if I center it though, I still have lots of room and it doesn't look lopsided. So there's that one. Okay, and I also did go ahead and cut apart one of these sidebar hydration sticker stacks from Birds Fly Studio, which is linked in the description box. It's meant to go over here, but I filled out with other things. So I put these on the days of the week. So let's see, let's go ahead and do the left side. So first I need to white this out. I should just go through and white this out for every single week in the whole planner because I have to do it every week anyway. Thank you, Happy Planner, for putting something different on every year. Every year you change it up, and every year we have to white out someplace different. But I'm not complaining. Okay, I was complaining. All right, so I chose Just Begin for my word up here at the top above keto. There we go. I want that centered a little bit better. Okay, and then we'll put keto down. All right, and then I said I was going to use pink overlay tapes because I've got green words. So what I learned here relatively recently is to go ahead and stick the overlay tapes on my wax paper right over the words. So let's go ahead and pull some of these off and go ahead and do that. And that way they're ready to stick on the page just as one sticker, kind of, sort of. That's not quite gonna fit over, almost, oh, super close. We're gonna call it good enough. How I was kinder this week, that's good enough. All right, positive word. Okay, so now let's go ahead and stick these on. So I've got this open in a journaling prompt rotates. It's a different prompt each week. And this week it is how I was kinder. And that can be however it strikes you when you go to fill it out, you know. So it could be how you were kinder to yourself or your family or your coworkers or whatever, the community, the planner community If you're a content creator like me, sometimes it strikes me that way. All right, and then for feeling, I chose unique. And I explained about that one. I have almost all the white of this prompt covered with the swish, but a tiny little bit, and it looks funny. So I'm gonna go ahead and reposition it just a little bit. There, now all of the white is covered. I'm listening to jazz right now when I'm not recording. Reading, I am on the 3rd of the Ian Rob Wright stories about the green fungus in Scotland. It's called The Stand, which always makes me think of the Stephen King books, interestingly enough. One of my favorites. And then my positive word, I chose strong. There we go. Coming down from the top, coming up from the bottom, now I have maximum amount of space there. So, all right, let's go ahead and fill in now the middle section. So I'm going to put 4 bullet points on. I'm just going to rotate through the colors. I'm just thinking, do I want each day to be a different color and just leave a row? I think I might. Because, well, so I'm going to grab my super pointy tweezers. I'm going to play with it and figure it out. But I'm going to put 4 bullet points on each day. And that's for my food diary for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. I'm going to put my hydration stickers across the bottom. And then I'm going to put a swishy on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday in the morning to fill out all the information for my cardio, my little workout, just the settings and duration from the bike. And I'll be back. Excellent. Okay. So I saved the plain ones because I thought those were the most likely to be used in a different spread or as a decorative element. So, okay. So I got my swishes for my workouts all set. All right. So let's go ahead then and put a couple of these things on. So find joy in your journey. I know I want up here just kind of midway between Saturday and Sunday as a weekend banner. And this, since there are 10, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. Yep, I'm going to cut it in half and put half on either page. And I'm going to put this one over here. Since I have green there, I want this side to end in pink. So I'm going to put this one up here. And we'll put this one down here and get rid of my wax paper. Don't need that anymore. At least I don't think I do. Okay, so far so good. Loving the color scheme, just loving it. Let's look for, I have these scales, so I have a dark green one to match that dark green. So let's look for one of those flags that has a tile design that's maybe pink. Like maybe this one looks a little bit like tile. And put it here without cat hair preferably. I'll put this over top. I used all the hydration stickers from these finally, except for one set of yellow. So at some point in the spring or summer, I'll do a yellow and get to use that one. All we have left then is to fill in the top with some decoration and inspirational quotes. All right, so for decor then, I want to look for some kind of quote over here. I've got a quote there. If I put a quote here, I could maybe put a third one there. I'm ready for this. I kind of, though, don't want this flag shape right beside this flag shape, but it could come over here, especially since this one's green. I could put a pink one there. Today's moments are tomorrow's memories. I'm kind of thinking green and green with pink in the middle. I have that quote down here. Enjoy the little things. That's kind of cute. Maybe I'll put that one there. I kind of wouldn't mind a round one, but with the round up there, I don't think I want a round quote too. So let's go with enjoy the little things. That's a good way to start the week out. Okay. And then, yep, that's it. So it repeats. The other half of the book is a repeat. So let's go ahead and grab that pink one. I'm just going to center it under the green there. Now, decoration. And I really want to put more of these mosaics in. I could layer around with square. So I've got a green quote there. Let's put a pink mosaic here. And let's go ahead and go square. I'm just going to lightly stick it, you guys. Maybe actually pink, pink. What if I go down with one like that and then come up with a green? Yeah. Okay, and then I've got pink, so we could go dark green. And this pink one. And then I kind of want one more thing right there, but I'm out of squares, mosaic pieces. Except for these. What if I go with a round one in here, in between? Oh my gosh, I have never had this much trouble. I think it's the paper quality, guys. I know we've heard it in the past, but I really do think it has changed. Because I used to be able to peel these up no problem. All right, I'm going to come over a little bit with this. And then let's put a round one. I'm thinking this white one, because I want something different than the four I already have. Let's go with this white one. And I want to cover where I ripped the paper. If I go there to cover where I ripped the paper and put one more here, like maybe this mint green one. That says mosaic, doesn't it? I think it does. I think the space is filled nicely. Okay, do I need anything else? I'm just wondering if I want to use these anywhere. Like I could almost use them here to write my answers. No, you know what, guys? I think it's full enough. So let me show you how I'm going to put it in my planner. So as you can see, this side where the 6th is blank. That's because I used scrapbook paper for the 6th. So I need to frankenplan these two together. This one's going to go right in my planner just the way it is. But for this one, I'm going to go all the way around the page, even in between the punches with some tape runner. There we go. Now I turn from this 6th to this 7th, and it's all good to go. So there we go. There is my Mosaic Spread in my Wellness and Fitness Planner for the week of February 7th through the 13th. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to start a wellness and fitness planner for yourself, or to at least set up a section in your planner for wellness and fitness. It really has helped me a lot over the last couple of years. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.